Hi, I'm Gabby, and today I'm going to show you how you can share your Buncee creations directly to Google Classroom. So take this for example. This is a Buncee activity I want to share with my students. So I'm going to go to the Share menu. Now under Settings, I want my students to be able to copy this Buncee and edit it themselves, so I'm going to make sure my Buncee is copyable. Next, I'm going to go to Social, and I'm going to select the Google Classroom icon. Next, I'm going to share the class that I want to share this activity to. I'm going to select my 8th grade class, and I can choose an action. I can create an assignment, ask a question, make an announcement, or create material. I'm going to create an assignment. Down here at the bottom, I'm going to click on Go. So now I'm going to title my assignment. And I'm going to include instructions. Over here on the side, I can choose to send this to just the class that I have selected or to all of my students. I can assign point value. I can choose a due date from this calendar, and I can include a time as well. I can also select a topic. When I'm all ready, I can come up here to assign and assign this to my students. Once it's ready, down here at the bottom, I can click on View, and I can see that my assignment is in my Google Classroom. And that's it.